Good morning, beautiful people. For today's video, we are going to bake the best orange cake. So if you haven't subscribed yet to Tea Loves, please consider subscribing. Hit nyo na rin guys ang notification bell para updated kayo sa susunod kong mga videos. Please like, comment, and share. It's only free. And that way guys, you can help grow my channel. So thank you guys and please continue watching my videos. Orange juice. Then we will add the orange zest. Ito guys, one orange ito. Flour, all-purpose flour with baking powder. Half tablespoon of baking powder. So we will add in a batch. The next, and the last one. So I will scoop at the bottom. So ito na yung ating mixture. Molding pan guys na glaze na natin at nilagyan natin ng to release. Okay, then we will put this to our oven for 40 minutes, 180 or 175 degrees Celsius guys, depending sa heat up sa inyong oven, okay? Cup of sugar or half a cup. So it's clean, guys. 40 minutes. Our orange syrup. Our orange cake, guys. Oh. So we are going to invert now, guys. Okay? So guys, this is our final product, our orange cake. Okay? So let's have a taste. Yummy, guys. Ooh. So guys, this is the best orange cake I have. Look at that. So let's munch. Okay. Wow. Mmm. Mmm. Jesus. So guys, that's our mm, mm. So thank you for watching, everybody. So that's our final product, guys. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy watching to my baking. This is Still Loves. Have a nice day, and bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. Have a great day. Bye.